The San Diego region has an opportunity to be a leader in how new technologies can transform the way we get around and protect the environment at the same time.
There are times when it's appropriate to take a step back and think about the bigger picture and allow the new leadership at Sandag to have a fair shake at getting this thing right.
This is a new opportunity where the new board and the new executive director can collaborate with stakeholders and community members and really have a bigger, better vision. So we're really excited that it got pushed back because we look at it as an opportunity to get it right now.
The San Diego Labor Council supports the pushing back of the regional transportation plan. We look forward to sitting at the table to represent the working families that we represent, and we believe that any plan should include quality jobs and should take into consideration where workers live and work.
In the new plan, I'd like to see Sandag really focus on making a robust transit system that allows folks who live in the city to achieve all of their goals, to get to work, to get to their doctor's appointments, to socialize, and to be able to live within the urban boundaries without the need for an automobile.
Clearly, we need to take another look at the way that we're planning transportation, and we think that a bold new vision that really focuses on the communities that are most in need of transportation, and those are low-income communities of color and disadvantaged communities. Those are the ones that really need to be served first, and we look forward to a plan that addresses their needs.
I think there's a new mindset about climate sustainability with the fires that we've recently had in California. People are really starting to connect, how we build, where we build, to these climate outcomes. So the time is really ripe to ask people to make choices, to make changes, and to try new things to build a more sustainable future.
We need to think about the connection of housing and transportation, how to really make the commute of people going from work to their job, to school, to make it more reasonable in order for our economy to continue growing.
We have had a series of planning documents that have basically been the same for several years and several cycles. And this is a new direction. So going in a new direction is exciting because it shows that our future will be different. And we want to have a change from the status quo. We don't want our transportation networks to be all built around the car. We want there also to be meaningful transit and meaningful active transportation opportunities, biking and walking.
We also need to realize all the different people who use transportation. We're seeing young kids on those scooters that go around downtown. We also see tourists, and we need to address how all these different populations need to access our transportation system.
What I hope to see is a transportation system that really connects people to the places they need to go, that it connects people to school, to work, to shopping, and it does so in a way that lets them get there in the same time that they would get there if they had a car.
It's a good balance. Hopefully moving this, extending RTP will allow for a balanced approach between transit, pedestrians, and freeways, systems, and roads and bridges.
I think for decades we've been allowed to grow in a way that worked for us at the time, but it doesn't accommodate the growth of our families here in San Diego. If we want our kids and our grandkids to grow up and stay here, an extended family staying together, that's going to take a new vision for San Diego.
I want to be able to look back on this moment right now and say, this is where we really started that creative dialogue and started identifying where we want to go from here.
Now is the time to say every resident in San Diego should have more than one choice to get from A to B. I believe the opportunity is now, the opportunity is here. And one of the reasons it is because the future is here when it comes to technological advances, and we need to be ready for it, to take advantage of it, and we need to work together to make it happen.